The holiday brings up a lot of anxiety around food and weight loss for many people. It definitely doesn't have to be that way. The holiday is about family and friends time, not about stressing about your food, restrictions, or being guilty. That's why in this video, I'm sharing 4 tips on managing holiday food guilt for weight loss. The first is be consistent with your regular eating as much as possible. Try to keep your established eating routine as much as possible. If there's special meals or treats, continue to still have your regular meals throughout the day and don't try to compensate for your dinner by skipping a meal. This will cause you to overeat when that meal comes around because you've been so hungry throughout the day, and you will lose control about mindfulness or listening to your body when you do eat. There's definitely special treats during the holidays, so have your regular meals and then enjoy the treats. Don't skip meals to enjoy treats because you'll end up overeating the treats to compensate it as your meal. Remember, you're always in the driver's seat and you have the power over the food. The more consistent you stay with your regular eating routine, the easier it is for you to stick to it after the holidays. Second, up your self-care. The holidays are a busy time. The amount of activities happening can be overwhelming and exhausting, even though they are fun. Make time to take care of yourself. This can put you in a better mindset and energy level to be more mindful and aware of your body to make decisions about food choices. When you are in a rush, exhausted, or stressed state of mind, it's easy to grab a treat when you don't even want it, but it's just there. Remember, you don't need to say yes to every single invite. The holiday can also be a time to recharge your batteries and take care of your mental and physical health. Block off your calendar for some me time. That might look like taking a bath, going for a long walk, binge watching a Netflix series, or just sitting by the fireplace and reading a good book. The third thing is surround yourself with those who support your goals. Set boundaries around your time and energy for those who add stress or trigger you about your body or weight loss journey. Sometimes it's impossible to avoid a family or friend at an event, but you can be upfront with them when a comment that is unnecessary for your mindset is presented. For example, you can directly say to them, "My weight, body, or food choices is not a topic for discussion." It's direct and leads for no further discussion. It's not easy to be that blunt, but setting these boundaries can make you feel more empowered. Walking away or taking a break from the party can also help you reconnect with yourself and decrease anxiety. The fourth tip is take a break from losing weight. Give yourself some slack from weight loss during the holidays. Instead of focusing on dropping the pounds, focus on weight maintenance instead. Maintenance could be adding the extra 500 or more calories from your deficit to enjoy that special meal and treats. It's totally okay to do this and releases the stress from losing weight. Focus on the taste, texture, and flavors of the food. Stay present and enjoy the experience of the party, the ambiance, friends and family, and the joyful air. Remember, 1 or 2 meals won't ruin your weight loss progress in the long run. Enjoy the holiday season. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and give me a thumbs up and subscribe button as well, and I'll talk to you soon. For personalized coaching to get you to your healthy eating and weight loss goals, apply for my elite weight loss coaching program at adriennerd.com or click on the link in the description below my video. Check out these other videos to get tips and recipes of healthy weight loss from me. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, hit the bell button, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.